Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to reveal to you how you can make Pale Moon browser your default browser on your desktop computer or laptop in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, launch the Pale Moon browser. Once we have downloaded and installed it, what you want to do is launch it, click into this button in the top left, hover your mouse over Preferences here and click into Preferences again. Next click into General and at the very bottom you will see the System Defaults. Click into Make Pale Moon the default browser. That is going to redirect you to this menu of your device's default application settings. As you can see, the interface language is not English for me, but depending on which interface language you use, and if you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, you should see some settings that are called default web browser. So for me it is currently Google. Click into it and look through that menu here and select Pale Moon web browser. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.